The world population has reached 7 billion people and is going to double in the next 50 years. With the increasing number of people, the demand for food resources also increases. Each year, about 20 million people die of hunger-related causes and 800 million people are threatened by hunger. Therefore, ensuring an adequate food supply for this booming population is going to be a major challenge in the years to come. Genetically modified foods promise to meet this need in a number of ways, such as the term genetically modified foods or GMOs, genetically modified organisms, is most commonly used to refer to crop plants created for human or animal consumption using the latest biotechnology. Genetically modified organisms are organisms in which genetic material, DNA, has been altered in a way that doesn't occur naturally. It allows selected individual genes to be transferred from one organism into another, even between non-related species. For example, by combining the fish DNA with strawberries, the new product is taken. Such methods are used to create genetically modified plants, which are then used to grow genetically modified food crops. There are several studies to determine whether genetically modified foods are safe to consume. French group of Professor Seralini described harmful effects on rats fed diet containing genetically modified maize in 2012. According to their results, rats showed several abnormal structural and chemical changes to various organs and significantly reduced fertility and developed tumors. In the other study of Professor Seralini, investigators reviewed 19 studies of mammals fed genetically modified soybeans and maize. They found that several convergent data appeared to indicate kidney and liver problems as the endpoints of GMO diet effects, with kidneys more affected in males and liver more affected in females. The other study, conducted by Ayres and LeBlanc, involved 30 pregnant and 39 non-pregnant female mammals and their exposure to pesticides associated with genetically modified foods. The insecticidal toxins were detected in 93% of pregnant females, 80% of their fetuses, and 69% of non-pregnant female mammals. This toxin is produced by soil-dwelling bacteria, which are added to genetically modified food crops to make it pest-resistant. Consequently, eating contaminated meat may endanger the health of humans since it may not be eliminated, especially from the fetus. The effect of this toxin to human health is uncertain. Additionally, in accordance with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, food allergies in children raised to 18% between 1997 and 2007. This trend is possibly somehow related with the increase in genetically modified food production and consumption. Any genetically modified foods currently on the market are considered to have past safety assessment and are not thought to pose a risk. However, with long-term health effects, it's difficult to assess whether a food may pose a risk in the future. Unfortunately, the effects may only come to light long after the product has already been available for the consumer use. Therefore, individuals should choose for themselves whether to eat genetically modified foods or not. And since there is no labeling of such products in Kazakhstan, here is a list of top 10 genetically modified foods. The food you eat can have a direct effect on your health, on your energy level, physical health, and mood. Do you really know what you are eating? Take care of yourself and think of this as an order from your doctor so you don't feel guilty. Thanks for your attention and goodbye.